Disclaimer: We Level Up is not promoting the use of amoxicillin and alcohol. This video explores dangers and consequences, not endorsement. Learn, don't use. Comment below. Stay safe. Welcome to the We Level Up Treatment Center video series. In today's video we will discuss amoxicillin uses. Amoxicillin is employed in the treatment of a diverse range of bacterial infections. This medication belongs to the penicillin-type antibiotic class and operates by halting the proliferation of bacteria. It is essential to note that amoxicillin is effective solely against bacterial infections and will not be effective for viral conditions like the common cold or flu. When they are unnecessary, the misuse of antibiotics can lead to reduced effectiveness in future infections. Additionally, amoxicillin is utilized with other medications to manage stomach and intestinal ulcers triggered by the bacteria H. pylori and prevent the recurrence of these ulcers. Mixing alcohol and amoxicillin. Can you drink alcohol with amoxicillin safely? The good news is that drinking alcohol while taking amoxicillin won't interfere with its effectiveness. However, observing moderate drinking is essential. Mixing Amoxicillin and alcohol-heavy drinking can negatively impact your body's healing ability. It's best to steer clear of alcohol to give your body the best chance of fighting infections. Be aware that certain antibiotics, like metronidazole, tinidazole, and Bactrim, should never be taken with alcohol due to an increased risk of severe reactions. Always confer with your doctor before mixing alcohol with any medication. So, when can you drink on amoxicillin? If you decide to drink alcohol while taking amoxicillin, it is best to wait until you have finished your treatment course or drink in moderation only. What is amoxicillin used for? Amoxicillin, also called Amoxil, is an antibiotic comparable to penicillin that treats bacterial infections typically used to cure ear, nose, skin, urinary tract, lung, and throat infections. Patients generally take amoxicillin orally in an extended-release tablet or immediate-release tablet. Both types of tablets can be chewed or swallowed. The typical strength of amoxicillin dosage is 500 or 875 milligrams, and doses are taken every 8 to 12 hours with food. Inform your doctor if you take other medications or supplements to avoid potential interactions or adverse effects. Continue reading to learn the alcohol and amoxicillin effects, warnings, dangers, and consensus on drinking with amoxicillin. Alcohol and amoxicillin considerations. Can you drink on amoxicillin? If you are prescribed amoxicillin, it is crucial to follow the recommended dosage and avoid consuming alcohol while taking the medication. Drinking alcohol while taking amoxicillin may reduce the medication's effectiveness and increase the risk of side effects. When taken together, alcohol and amoxicillin can cause many unpleasant symptoms, including stomach upset, dizziness, headaches. Alcohol can also impede the body's capacity to absorb the medication properly, reducing its effectiveness in fighting the infection. It is generally recommended that alcohol be avoided while taking any medication, including antibiotics like amoxicillin. If you have been prescribed amoxicillin, follow your doctor's instructions carefully and avoid consuming alcohol until your course of treatment is complete. Can you drink on amoxicillin, even small amounts? While drinking alcohol is generally safe while taking amoxicillin, moderation should be your priority. Healthcare professionals advise against excessive drinking, which can lead to dehydration and disrupt the body's ability to fight infections. For certain antibiotics like metronidazole, tinidazole, or Bactrim, however, even limited amounts of alcohol should be avoided to stave off potential adverse side effects such as flushing and nausea. Amoxicillin alcohol dangers exposed. When taken together, alcohol and amoxicillin can cause various adverse reactions ranging from mild symptoms to serious health problems. When combining these two substances, people may experience nausea, vomiting, headache, dizziness, and stomach upset. Additionally, drinking alcohol increases the risk for liver damage, which could interfere with how the body metabolizes amoxicillin. If you drink alcohol on amoxicillin, consider that this can have several negative side effects. Some of the potential dangers of combining alcohol and amoxicillin include the following: increased risk of liver damage. Consuming amoxicillin and alcohol can strain the liver, leading to liver damage or even liver failure. Decreased effectiveness of amoxicillin. Alcohol can reduce the effectiveness of amoxicillin, making it less effective at treating bacterial infections. Increased risk of side effects. Combining amoxicillin and alcohol can increase the likelihood of experiencing negative side effects, like vomiting, nausea, dizziness, and diarrhea. Worsened antibiotic resistance. Drinking alcohol while taking amoxicillin can also contribute to the development of antibiotic resistance, making it harder to treat bacterial infections in the future. So, can you drink on amoxicillin? Alcohol and amoxicillin may not mix well. Taking precautions when using this antibiotic is essential to provide the greatest efficacy and minimal side effects. If you are taking amoxicillin with alcohol, speak to your physician or pharmacist about any problems drinking alcohol while on this medication. Can I drink alcohol on amoxicillin? When taking antibiotics like amoxicillin, observe the prescribed dosage and course of treatment to ensure the medication effectively fights the bacterial infection. Alcohol can interfere with this process, reducing the effectiveness of the medication and potentially making your illness last longer. In addition to reducing the effectiveness of amoxicillin, alcohol can also worsen some of the side effects of the medication. For example, amoxicillin can cause gastrointestinal upset, such as nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Alcohol can exacerbate these side effects and make them more severe, potentially leading to dehydration and further health complications. Another possible issue when drinking alcohol while taking amoxicillin is the risk of allergic reactions. Amoxicillin can cause allergic reactions in some people, and alcohol consumption can raise the danger of developing an allergic reaction. Symptoms of an allergic response can include swelling, rash, itching, and difficulty breathing. And it can be life-threatening in severe cases. Overall, it is generally recommended to avoid alcohol altogether until you have completed your course of antibiotics as prescribed. Talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any worries or questions about taking amoxicillin or other medication, including drug interactions, dosages, and side effects. When can I drink alcohol with amoxicillin? Drinking alcohol on amoxicillin is generally not recommended. Alcohol can inhibit the efficacy of antibiotics and increase the risk of side effects such as stomach upset, dizziness, and drowsiness. When you consume alcohol, your liver metabolizes it into acetaldehyde, which may induce liver damage and reduce your body's ability to fight infections. Similarly, when you take antibiotics, your liver must metabolize them and remove them from your system. Combining the two can strain your liver and increase the risk of liver damage. Moreover, alcohol can exacerbate the side effects of amoxicillin, such as gastrointestinal upset, headache, and dizziness. It can also make you more prone to dehydration, interfering with your body's ability to recover from infections. Identifying and accepting the presence of a mental illness can be challenging. However, once diagnosed and treated correctly, the presenting substance abuse case becomes easier to manage. We advise those suffering from a disorder alongside addiction to seek qualified treatment centers to begin their journey toward recovery. Contact We Level Up Treatment Centers today for the highest quality recovery care. That's it for today. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Like, share and comment. We would love your feedback. Have a great day.